Today we've just completed the rewheeling of 4930 Hagley Hall. It's the culmination of quite a few months of work. We've had to line up all the chassis, get everything squared up, and the results you see today are months and months of work in planning, machining. It's been great today because back in 2018 we actually took the engine off its wheels. It seems so long ago now, so to be here now today with it back on its wheels, we feel like we're really starting to progress. You know, it's starting to look like an engine again now. There's some unforeseen things you don't realise in the beginning, like we wanted to get the bogie underneath the frames today. And we realised that the jack beams are not giving us enough clearance to do that, so that's another job we got to do in the future, but it shouldn't take too long, and if that's all that went wrong, I'm quite happy, to be honest. We're feeling we can really get our teeth into the project now. With this rewheeling today, we've got so many things that can go back on, valve gear. We're looking at getting the rods done so we can get everything lined up and try those on. And then that'll be the day when we actually move it off the jacks and find out how well the chassis has been lined up. It's opened it up for a lot of work for volunteers coming back. And the lads have really worked together well. They've pulled together to actually get everything ready for today. And it just shows how well it's gone. You know, 2 hours and we've got the chassis re-wheeled, and it's been a really good morale boost for everybody on the team. It's really good how it's worked out.